Hello everyone, welcome back. First of all, sorry for not posting video for so long. I was busy with the exams for my students as well as my son. Exam season isn't it just a testing time for students, it is a deeply challenging period for teachers as well. We actually go through lots, so this vacation I'm planning to give enough time to myself. As you can see, I have taken up some organization work in kitchen. So today's video is mainly focused on my pantry organization. My attempt is to make my kitchen pantry more functional and stress-free, so I can save my time, and also doing this I can reduce the food wastage. नहीं तो कई बार क्या होता है, चीज़ें घर पे तो होती है और फिर भी हम एक्स्ट्रा खरीद लाते हैं. So first I will take everything out, check the expiration dates and get rid of anything that has expired or is no longer in use. Secondly, I will categorize items so it makes easier for me to find them in my rush hour. Deep cleaning of pantry is very important. For my pantry, I am using grey color liners which protect shelves from spills, crumbs and moisture. It is also very easy to clean. Just wash with soap water and dry it, ready to use again. मैं एक घर का काम निकालती हूँ तो एक के बाद एक निकलते ही जाता है. ये साफ़ हो रहा है तो देख रही हूँ कि किचन में और भी एरियाज है जो साफ़ करना है, पर सेम डे पे करना थोड़ा मुश्किल है. मैं हमेशा क्लीनिंग का काम फ्राइडे को करना पसंद करती हूँ क्योंकि सैटरडे और संडे बाहर जाना रहता है और कुकिंग भी थोड़ा ज़्यादा होती है. A well-organized pantry can transform any kitchen and makes our cooking more enjoyable. This pantry unit has shelves of two different sizes. I plan to store small jars near the door side while larger containers will go on the bigger shelves. The main task now is deciding what goes where. I am using transparent jars to store items in bigger quantities like puffed rice, makhana, cornflakes and muesli. These two transparent jars I got it from IKEA, perfect for storing half kg of oats, ragi flakes and grains. These tiny glass jars are perfect for storing everyday essentials. So in these jars, I'm storing pancake powder, small batch of snacks and vermicelli. Nowadays, vermicelli breakfast is my favorite as it takes less time and less effort to prepare it. Keeping noodles in an airtight container protects them from humidity and moisture. Most importantly, we are storing it hygienically क्योंकि हम सारा नूडल्स एक ही बार में यूज़ नहीं करते, बस प्लास्टिक पैकेट्स में रखे रहते हैं बहुत दिनों तक. I often buy this regular spices in larger quantity ताकि बार बार दुकान जाना ना पड़े, and also this way we are reducing packaging waste. Both chili and turmeric powder have long shelf life and storing it in an airtight container can be used for a prolonged period without worrying about spoilage. In this cute glass jar, I'm keeping all my dry spices like cardamom, cloves, cinnamon sticks, and some seeds. Each one of these playing a distinct role in transforming a dish. They are high in antioxidants and act as a natural preservatives. In this shelf, I have idli puri, achar, peri peri powder, and a chili sauce. In the upper shelf, I am keeping all powder masalas like chicken masala, mutton masala. Having them all in one place makes cooking more convenient. And here I am keeping paisa mix, kasuri methi and rice, salted chilies. It is crispy and spicy, goes well with rasam rice. And this bottom shelf helps me with my baking supplies. Instant dry yeast, baking powder, choco chips, chocolate bar, vanilla and pineapple essence. Masalas are the heart of cooking. Keeping them neatly arranged can be a challenge. So here I'm using plastic container which has 3 sections. So now easy to store and easy to find. And this will go on the top shelf since I use them rarely, while my everyday spices have been transferred into small jars. So cooking करते वक्त इसे नीचे निकालने की ज़रूरत नहीं होगी. These rice noodles are a fantastic option for gluten-free diets. मैं कभी-कभी breakfast में बना लेती हूँ और ये सूप में भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. You must try it. In this basket, I'm placing all my kitchen cloth. I preferably use microfiber cloth as it is useful for cleaning kitchen surfaces and glassware. It is great for soaking up spills and messes. This neatly folded kitchen cloths in basket are looking great. The arranged pantry looks so satisfying. काश कि ये सब कुछ ऐसे ही ऑर्गेनाइज्ड रहे. किचन कैबिनेट्स ऑफन गो अननोटिस और कहते हैं ना, घर जितना बड़ा हो मेंटेन करना उतना ही मुश्किल है. Well, in this cabinet, I'm storing all my pulses, grains, atta and many other things. Hearing this soft rustle gives me a hidden joy. The smartly designed Amazon containers are a game changer in my kitchen. ऐसा इसलिए कह रही हूँ क्योंकि आप एक ही कंटेनर में 2 चीज़ एक साथ स्टोर कर सकते हो. जैसे एक साइड में स्पैगेटी स्टोर कर लिया और दूसरे साइड में पास्ता. एक में मसूर दाल तो दूसरी और मूंग दाल, और ये मिक्स भी नहीं होता है. These containers are made from high quality materials and it is BPA free. Most interestingly, it saves your space. मैं एक एक कंटेनर थॉटफुली अरेंज कर रही हूँ. टॉल और हेवी कंटेनर्स पीछे की ओर. सामने ये स्टील के कंटेनर्स है जिसमें दाल, राजमा और फ्रीक्वेंटली यूज्ड होने वाली चीज़ें रखी हुई है. ये छोटे डब्बे में एक के ऊपर एक रख सकती हूँ क्योंकि स्पेस सेविंग इज द प्रायोरिटी हियर. A well organized kitchen cabinet जो practical and inspiring है. Hope it saves my time during meal prep and provides peace of mind while cooking. These two wicker baskets are a fantastic addition to my kitchen. It gives visual appeal to my this space. In this upper basket, I keep all my dry snacks, and down I'm storing onions, potatoes, tomatoes and garlic. Today I got few small baskets to organize items inside this. So let's get organized. Big basket for potatoes. इसमें onions और ये वाली में गार्लिक रखते हैं। ये गार्लिक काफ़ी बड़े हैं, छीलने में आसानी होगी। These baskets allow for optimal air circulation, helping to keep items fresh and slowing down spoilage. I hope this video brings value to your day. If you enjoyed the content, please do like and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.